Hello everyone, I'm Chef Marco Shortino of Buffalo, New York. I'm from Galbani Cheese, and we have created a cooking series called the Galbani Cooking Series. We are going to show you some fun, exciting, and healthy recipes using our products. We're going to tell a few cute stories, maybe some bad stories, get me in trouble, but you're going to have fun with it. Have fun with me, have fun with the recipes, and make them your own. So in all my restaurants, I've been using Galbani products for as long as I can remember. I trust them. I know it's going to be a great, consistent product, and it's very easy to use. And the recipes come out absolutely amazing. Throughout the years, you've seen me doing cooking demonstrations at all the Galbani cooking stages. And now we've created this cooking series so that I can bring these cooking demos right into your home. Welcome to our kitchen. I'm your host, Chef Marco. This is the Galbani Cooking Series. I'm going to take you on a journey using our Galbani cheese products throughout this series, but today I want to introduce myself. I'm Chef Marco from Buffalo, New York, and this is one of my favorite recipes. It's probably one of the first recipes I created for Galbani cheese many, many years ago. So we're going to get started on this, and this is something that you can make at home for yourself and for your family, and it's great to get the kids involved, and it adds a little twist of fresh fruit. If the kids aren't eating fresh fruit, this is a way to give it to them in a sneaky way. So let's get started with some pancake mix. First, I want to put the ricotta cheese into our bowl and take our whisk to it just to give it a little bit of air and to lighten it up. I'm going to flavor it with a little vanilla. The juice of a fresh orange. The zest of an orange, and then we're just going to use some pancake mix. We're going to add this in. Stir that up, and then add some cool water. Now follow the directions on the package if you want to use the instant pancake mix. So you can see our consistency. We got it just perfect. And what that ricotta cheese does, it adds some great fluffiness to your batter, as well as creaminess. So I'm using a Teflon pan. If you want to use a Teflon pan or you want to use a traditional pancake griddle, go right ahead. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to my pan. Even though it's non-stick, I like an insurance policy. Mix it around. I got it on about a medium heat. So the reason I picked this recipe as one of my favorites is because when I was in high school, a million years ago, my mother asked me, what do I want to be? And I really didn't want to be in the food business. I wanted to be an auto mechanic, like my father. But I was making breakfast on a Saturday morning. I was pouring pancakes onto a griddle. And the pancakes overflowed, ran off the griddle, down the cabinet, and onto the floor, and I looked my mother in the eye and said, I'm going to be a chef. True story. So that's why I chose this. So we're going to take a ladle, make nice round pancakes. And this definitely isn't going to run all over the kitchen this time. Here we go. Now when pancakes start to cook, they start to bubble from the bottom. So we're going to put a little chocolate chip into our raw batter. And these are going to melt into our ricotta cheese and be beautiful. So as the pancakes start to cook on one side, they will start to form a crust and the bubbles will start to come through the bottom. So once that starts to show, you want to get in there. I'm going to flip it over. Those are some beautiful, fluffy, creamy pancakes. That ricotta cheese is just making it something special. So our pancakes are done. We're just going to move them to the plate. Oh, look at this beautiful pancake. That is gorgeous. Can you see why this is my favorite? Let me just finish this. A little more ricotta cheese. Put some fresh oranges right on top. Of course, can't forget the chocolate chips. And my favorite part of pancakes, the maple syrup. So this starts out our journey to La Dolce Vita with Galbani cheese.